Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring three time expressions: on time, in time, and at a time.
These phrases look similar but have completely different meanings.
Understanding them helps you talk about punctuality and timing perfectly.
They're used constantly in everyday English.
By the end of this episode, you'll use all three confidently.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these phrases mean.
They all contain the word time, but they express different concepts.
On time means punctual, at the scheduled time.
In time means before it's too late, with time to spare.
At a time means one by one or in separate groups.
Let's explore each one.
Phrase 1. On time.
On time means exactly at the scheduled or expected time.
The key idea is punctuality, not early, not late.
Structure: subject plus verb plus on time.
The train arrived on time. I always come on time. The meeting started on time.
Uses of on time:
Use 1. Describing punctuality for scheduled events.
the flight departed on time, exactly at the scheduled departure time.
Please be here on time, at the exact time we agreed.
Use 2. Talking about reliability and schedules.
The bus is always on time. It follows its schedule.
She's never on time for work. She's always late.
Use 3. Meeting deadlines and appointments.
I submitted the report on time, by the deadline.
Phrase 2. In time.
In time means before it's too late, with time to spare.
The key idea is early enough to do something.
Structure: subject plus verb plus in time, for or to do something.
We arrived in time for the show. I got there in time to see her. Did you finish in time?
Uses of in time:
Use 1. Arriving before something starts or ends.
we got to the station in time for the train, before it left.
I woke up in time for breakfast, early enough to have breakfast.
Use 2. Doing something before a deadline or critical moment.
The doctor arrived in time to save him, before it was too late.
I finished in time for the submission, with time to spare before deadline.
Use 3. Having enough time to do something.
Will we get there in time to catch the movie? Early enough to see it? Phrase 3. At a time.
At a time means one by one or in separate groups.
The key idea is separately or in sequence.
Structure: number, 1, 2, at a time.
One at a time, please. Take 2 pills at a time. Enter 1 person at a time.
Uses: use 1. Describing things happening separately.
Please ask questions one at a time, not all together.
We can only handle one problem at a time, separately, not simultaneously.
Use 2. Giving instructions about quantity.
Take the stairs 2 at a time, 2 steps in each movement. Feed the dog 3 treats at a time, 3 in each feeding.
Use 3. Talking about capacity or limits.
The elevator holds 6 people at a time, maximum at once.
The key differences.
On time equals punctual, at the scheduled time.
In time equals early enough, before it was too late.
At a time equals one by one, separately or in groups.
Completely different concepts.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Alex, I'm worried about the concert tonight. Why? What's wrong? The traffic is terrible. What if we don't get there on time? The concert starts at 8 p.m. If we leave now, we'll arrive in time. Are you sure? I don't want to miss the opening act. We have plenty of time. The venue only lets people enter 100 at a time anyway, so there'll be a line. All right, they control the crowd, letting groups in at a time. Exactly. As long as we're in time for the main performance, we're good. But I like to be on time for everything. I hate being late. I know, but being in time is what matters here. We just need to arrive before the show starts. You're right. Let's go. And remember, the parking only accepts 3 cars at a time, so we might wait. Good point. Let's leave right now. Did you notice all 3 phrases? Don't get there on time. Punctual, at scheduled time. Will arrive in time, early enough, before too late. 100 at a time, in groups of 100. Groups in at a time, separately, in batches. Be on time for everything, punctual. Being in time is what matters, early enough. 3 cars at a time, 3 separately. All 3 used naturally. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1, confusing on time with in time. On time equals punctual. In time equals early enough. I arrived on time, exactly at scheduled time, versus I arrived in time, before it was too late.
Mistake 2, using at time instead of at a time.
Wrong. One at time. Correct. One at a time.
Need the A.
Mistake 3. Using in time when you mean on time.
Wrong. The train left in time. Correct. The train left on time.
Trains leave at scheduled times, so on time.
Mistake 4, forgetting for or to after in time.
Usually say in time for something or in time to do something.
I arrived in time for dinner, or I arrived in time to eat.
Mistake 5. Using at the time when you mean at a time.
At the time means at that moment. At a time means one by one.
Different meanings entirely.
On time in different context.
Work and school.
I always get to work on time. The class starts on time every day.
Transportation.
The bus was on time this morning. Flights rarely depart on time.
Appointments.
Please arrive on time for your appointment. The doctor saw me right on time. In time in different contexts.
Emergencies.
The firefighters arrived in time to save the building. We got there in time to help.
Events and activities.
Did you get there in time for the speech? I woke up in time to see the sunrise.
Deadlines.
Will you finish in time for the presentation? I submitted it just in time. At a time in different context.
Instructions and procedures.
Add the eggs one at a time. Pour the water slowly, a little at a time.
Crowd control.
Enter 2 at a time, please. The ride takes 4 people at a time.
Problem solving.
Let's handle one issue at a time. Take it one step at a time. Understanding the difference with examples.
Same event, different phrases.
The movie starts at 7 p.m. We need to arrive on time. At 7 p.m. exactly.
The movie starts at 7 p.m. We need to arrive in time to get good seats, before 7 p.m.
See the difference?
On time versus in time, the classic comparison.
This is where people get confused most.
On time means at the scheduled moment.
In time means before a deadline or critical moment.
The train left on time, at its scheduled departure.
We arrived in time for the train, before it left.
One is about schedule, one is about being early enough.
On time with specific times.
When there's an exact time.
The meeting is at 3 p.m. Be there on time. Be there at 3 p.m.
Works with scheduled events.
In time with 4 and 2.
Common patterns.
In time for noun, like in time for dinner, in time for the party.
In time to plus verb like in time to catch the bus, in time to see the show.
These are natural combinations.
At a time with numbers.
Specific quantities.
1 at a time, 2 at a time, 3 at a time, 5 at a time.
A few at a time, several at a time.
Shows grouping.
Real-life scenarios.
At the airport.
Please board the plane on time. We arrived in time for our flight. Passengers may board 20 at a time.
At a restaurant.
Our reservation is at 7. Let's be on time. We got there in time to get a table. The chef prepares 2 dishes at a time. At the doctor's office. Be on time for your appointment. I arrived in time to see the doctor before closing. The doctor sees 1 patient at a time. Emphasis and stress.
Making your point stronger.
Be there on time, not late, emphasizing punctuality.
We need to leave now to get there in time, emphasizing urgency.
1 at a time, please, emphasizing order. On time as an adjective.
Describing delivery or service.
On-time delivery is guaranteed, hyphenated as adjective. The airline has a good on-time record, less common but grammatically correct. In time meaning eventually.
Another meaning.
Don't worry, you'll understand in time. Eventually, as time passes.
In time, the pain will fade, eventually.
Different from before it's too late.
Context makes it clear.
At a time for focus and simplicity.
Advice and wisdom.
Take life one day at a time. Don't worry about everything at once.
Let's solve one problem at a time. Focus on one thing.
Common self-help phrase.
Negative forms.
Saying what didn't happen.
The bus didn't arrive on time. It was late.
We didn't get there in time. We were too late.
Don't all speak at a time. Don't speak simultaneously.
In questions.
Asking about timing.
Will the train arrive on time? Did you get there in time? How many can enter at a time?
Natural question forms.
Comparing all 3 in one situation.
Medical emergency example.
The ambulance arrived on time, at the scheduled or expected time.
The paramedics got there in time to save the patient before it was too late.
They treated the injuries one at a time, separately. All 3 in one scenario.
More detailed examples.
Let's see complex situations.
School and education.
Students must arrive on time for exams.
Punctual. Study well so you finish in time for graduation. Early enough.
Answer the questions one at a time.
Separately. Business and meetings.
The conference call starts on time at 9 a.m.
Exactly at 9. Submit your proposal in time for the review. Before deadline.
We'll discuss each department's report one at a time.
Separately. Travel and tourism.
The tour bus departs on time.
At scheduled time. Arrive in time to check in. Before closing.
Visitors may enter the museum 50 at a time.
In groups of 50. On time in professional contexts.
Workplace expectations.
On-time arrival is mandatory. On-time project completion is critical.
Shows professionalism.
In time for opportunities.
Seizing chances.
Apply in time for the scholarship. Register in time to get the discount.
Before the opportunity closes.
At a time for gradual change.
Progress and improvement.
Build your skills one at a time. Add features one at a time.
Incremental development.
Cultural context.
Cultures view time differently.
In some cultures, on time means exactly at the scheduled time.
In others, there's more flexibility.
Always ask about expectations.
But these phrases have the same meaning in all English.
With modal verbs.
Adding possibility or obligation.
You should be on time. We must arrive in time. They can only process 2 at a time.
Adds nuance.
Idiomatic expressions.
Common sayings.
Better late than never, but better on time than late.
In the nick of time means just in time.
One thing at a time means focus on one thing.
Natural phrases.
Common confusions explained.
Let's clear up typical mistakes.
Confusion 1. The meeting is in time.
Wrong should be the meeting is on time, at scheduled time.
Use in time only when you're arriving for something.
Confusion 2. I'm always in time for work.
Sounds like you're always early. Better, I'm always on time for work.
Punctual.
Confusion 3. Take one medicine a time.
Missing a should be one at a time.
The A is essential. Advanced uses of on time.
Beyond basic punctuality.
On-time payment means paying by the due date.
On-time performance means meeting schedules consistently.
Used in business and finance.
Advanced uses of in time.
Philosophical meaning. All wounds heal in time. Eventually, with passage of time.
The truth comes out in time.
Eventually, different from before it's too late. Advanced uses of at a time.
Extended expressions.
Step by step, one at a time means methodical approach.
A little at a time means gradually.
A few at a time means small groups.
Shows gradual progression.
Workplace scenarios.
Professional communication.
Boss says, please submit reports on time, by deadline,
Colleague says, I'll finish in time for the meeting.
before it starts.
Manager says, handle customer complaints one at a time.
All 3 in professional settings. Transportation examples.
Detailed travel situations.
The 8:15 train left on time, exactly at 8:15.
We ran and got there in time to catch it before it left.
Passengers board 5 at a time, in groups of 5.
Complete travel scenario.
Quick review.
On time means punctual, at the scheduled or expected time.
Used for schedules, appointments, and reliability.
In time means early enough, before it's too late.
Used for deadlines, catching events, having enough time.
At a time means one by one, separately or in groups.
Used for sequence, instructions, capacity. On time equals exact moment. 3 p.m. on time equals exactly 3 p.m.
In time means before deadline. In time for 3 p.m. means before 3 p.m.
At a time means grouping. One at a time means separately.
Not interchangeable, completely different meanings.
Pay attention to prepositions on, in, and at.
On time often stands alone.
In time usually needs for or to.
At a time needs a number or one.
You now understand all 3 completely.
These phrases help you talk about timing precisely.
Use on time when talking about punctuality and schedules.
Use in time when talking about being early enough.
Use at a time when talking about things happening separately. If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. Create a sentence using one of these phrases.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.